Good morning, students. I am Lakshmi Mari. I am taking third standard SST subject. Today we will do some exercises from lesson number 2, Earth our planet. Tick the correct word to complete each sentence. First one is 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with dash. 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with dash. Given options are water, land, air and gas. Water, land and air and gas. Correct answer is water. Right answer is water. 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water, which living organism need to survive. Next, to make food, plants use. To make food, plants use. Given options are oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen and nitrogen. And the correct answer is carbon dioxide. To make food, plants use carbon dioxide. The earth is surrounded by a layer of air called the atmosphere. The atmosphere contains oxygen, carbon dioxide and other gases. Oxygen is required by all living organisms to breathe, and plants use carbon dioxide gas to make food. Next, the earth is shaped like dash. The earth is shaped like dash. Given options are a pear and mango, a mango. And the correct answer is an orange. The earth is shaped like an orange. Next, rotation of the earth causes dash. Rotation of the earth causes dash. Given options are only day, only night and day to follow night. And the correct answer is day to follow night. Rotation of the earth causes day to follow nights. The part of the earth that faces the sun has day, and the part of that is away from the sun has night. So, rotation of the earth causes day to follow nights. Next, the earth completes one revolution in dash. The earth completes one revolution in dash. Given options are 365 days, 365 half days, 365 1/4 days, and the correct answer is 365 1/4 days. The earth completes 365 1/4 days. The earth takes 365 1/4 days or 1 year to complete one revolution. Revolution of the earth causes changes in seasons. Next question. Complete the flow chart. The earth movements and causes. Answer. The earth shows two types of movements. One, rotation and revolution. Rotation means this imaginary line. Similarly, the earth also moves about its axis. This movement of the earth about its axis is called a rotation. Rotation of the earth causes day to follow nights. The part of the earth that faces the sun has day, and the part of that is away from the sun has night. And revolution, you already know that the earth moves around the sun. This movement of the earth around the sun is called a revolution. And the earth takes 365 1/4 days or 1 year to complete one revolution. Revolution of the earth causes changes in seasons. Next question. Answer the following questions in one sentence. First question is define atmosphere. Define atmosphere. Atmosphere is the layer of air that surrounds the earth. Atmosphere is the layer of air that surrounds the earth is called a atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by a layer of air called a atmosphere. Next question. Where does the earth appear to meet the sky? Where does the earth appear to meet the sky? Answer is the earth appears to meet the sky at the horizon. That the earth appears to meet the sky at the far end. This is known as the horizon. The earth appears to meet the sky at the horizon. Next question. Define axis. Answer is axis is the imaginary line about which an object spans. Axis is the imaginary line about which an object spans. Next question. State one important fact proved by Ferdinand Magellan. State one important fact proved by Ferdinand Magellan, and the answer is Ferdinand Magellan proved that the earth is round and not flat. The earth is round and not flat. Next question. Which is stationary, the earth or the sun? Which is stationary, the earth or the sun? And the answer is the sun is stationary. The sun is stationary. Next question. Answer the following questions in 2 to 3 sentences. First question is list the factors that make the earth is unique planet. Answer is the factors that make the earth unique are as follows. The earth is at the right distance from the sun, neither too far nor too close. This makes it neither too cold nor too hot, which is essential for living things. 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water, which living organisms need to survive. Second question. Describe the shape of the earth. Describe the shape of the earth. Answer is the earth is not completely round but is shaped like an orange. It is slightly flattened at the top and there is a slight bulge at the center. Third question. Name the different oceans and continents of the world. Answer is the oceans are the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Antarctica Ocean. The 7 continents are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Next question. Differentiate between rotation and revolution. Answer is rotation is the movement of the earth on its axis. It causes day and night. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation, and revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun. It causes seasons. It takes 365 1/4 days to complete one revolution. Next question. How are days and nights caused? Answer is rotation of the earth causes days to follow nights. The part of the earth that faces the sun has day, and the part of that is away from the sun has night. So students, now it's time to take the homework. Read and write all question and answers from lesson number 2, Earth Our Planets, page number 232 and 233. Write in your SST homework book and send on the WhatsApp. Thank you.